Okay, I've wired up a simple trailer breakaway switch. The theory behind these, regardless of what manufacturer it is that if the trailer becomes disconnected from the tow vehicle, this cable is connected to the tow vehicle, this is connected to the trailer, pulls this pin and completes the circuit to lock up the trailer brakes. That's why you need to have a fully charged breakaway battery. Think of this as no more than a glorified toggle switch or light switch. So when hooking up our alarm system to the brakes, what you're going to look for is which wire goes to the brakes. Best way is to take a simple meter like this, ground one end, and plug it into the wire slightly, and you'll see it light up. That means that wire is hot. So if you do this other wire, the circuit is not completed. And to just verify that, we'll pull the pin. And that should complete the circuit. So we've got power still going to this side, but now we've also got it going to this side. So this side is the one in this particular case that you would want to tie our alarm system to. Hope that answers any questions. Thanks.